Welcome to a space where ideas spark curiosity, questions ignite answers, and inspiration transforms lives. This is Mind Alchemy, your destination for unlocking potential in everyday life.
Looking to craft a consistent and engaging persona as an influencer? Watch this video to discover the strategies that will set your personal brand apart, and all these absolutely free at no cost. Navigate to google.com and enter Foocus in the search bar as demonstrated on the screen. Select the first result from the search and click on it. This will direct you to the GitHub page of Foocus. Scroll down to find the installation guide for Foocus along with the necessary configuration details required to set up and run the system. The system requires a GPU to run the application. If your system does not have a GPU, you can run it online using free GPU resources. Scroll down further to find the link for Google Colab, which provides free GPU access. Click on the provided link to get started. You are now on the Google Colab page. Don't worry, there's no need to write any code, as everything is pre-written. Simply click the Run button to execute the code. Before proceeding, verify the runtime settings to ensure the system is utilizing a GPU, as a CPU version is also available. Once confirmed, click Save and click the Run button, then select Run Anyway to proceed. Sit back and relax while the code executes. It will generate a link for the user interface for you once it downloads the necessary configurations. The code is now getting executed and in the process of downloading the necessary configurations. The execution is completed and the user interface link is now generated. Let us click on the link. The user interface has been successfully generated and is now displayed on your screen. By simply clicking the Generate button here, you can instantly create captivating images tailored to your specifications. Upon selecting the Advanced tab, you'll find a range of customization settings. These include performance adjustments, the ability to fix the aspect ratio, specify the number of images to generate, and choose the desired output format. Additionally, an intriguing feature is the negative prompt, which allows you to specify elements you want to avoid in the image, such as blurriness or low resolution, ensuring your result aligns perfectly with your vision. The next tab, Styles, offers a variety of predefined image styles to choose from, allowing you to tailor the output to match your preferred aesthetic or theme. This feature enhances the flexibility of your creations, providing an array of artistic options for a more personalized result. The Models tab is crucial for generating images based on your prompts. It offers a selection of generative models, each capable of producing distinct outputs. You can choose from various options and fine-tune the model parameters to further customize the results, giving you complete control over the creative process. The Advanced tab provides key controls such as the guidance scale and image sharpness, which allow you to refine the quality and characteristics of the generated output. By adjusting these settings, you can influence the clarity, detail, and overall nature of the image, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your vision. Let's now input our prompt for generating the image. A young Indian college student walking on a university campus, dressed in a casual denim jacket, jeans, and a backpack. She has long black hair tied in a ponytail, smiling under the bright sun, with trees and a college building in the background. Let's hit the Generate button and wait for the results. As you can observe, the results are now being generated, and the output images are being created in real time. Here are the two output images, astonishingly natural and incredibly realistic. It's hard to believe these were generated by AI and that the girl depicted doesn't actually exist. Notice the exceptional clarity and sharpness, indistinguishable from a photograph of a real college student. The images can be downloaded and saved for future use. Now, let's proceed to test the consistency of the selected image by generating variations with different attires and poses. We'll use this image as the base for the evaluation. The various tabs, such as Image Prompt, In-Paint, Out-Paint, and others, showcase the diverse features available in the Foocus application. Let's click on Image Prompt. Let's proceed by browsing and uploading our selected image. After uploading, navigate to the Advanced tab and select the Face Swap option. Now, input the prompt, the girl in a salwar suit, and click Generate to create the desired output. As displayed on your screen, the outputs are stunningly realistic, showcasing the same girl now dressed in a salwar suit. The results maintain exceptional consistency and detail, making them indistinguishable from real photographs. Now, let's visualize the lady in a bridal look. The transformation is stunning, as she appears flawlessly beautiful in her elegant bridal attire, showcasing intricate details and unmatched realism. The images are incredibly realistic, with the attire and jewelry looking exceptionally lifelike. The clarity and sharpness are flawless, truly showcasing the power of this technology. Let's go ahead and save these images for future use. Now, let's explore the In-Paint feature. Begin by clicking on the In-Paint or Out-Paint tab. Then browse and select the desired image we wish to alter. Now increase the size of the paintbrush. Next, mask the area you wish to modify. Enter your desired prompt. For this example, it will be the girl wearing a necklace. Finally, click the Generate button and wait for the results to render. As shown on the screen, two distinct image variations have been generated, featuring the girl wearing two different types of necklaces. These additions are seamlessly integrated into the image, appearing remarkably realistic and flawlessly detailed. Let us now bring our generated character to life. Google Pixwords and click the first option in the search result. Browse and select an image of your choice to represent the generated character, then simply upload it here to continue the process. The image has now been successfully uploaded. Let's proceed by entering the prompt. The lady is smiling, facing the camera, and performing a Namaste gesture to welcome all. Let us now hit the Create button and wait for results. Our character is now brought to life, smiling warmly and performing the Namaste gesture, welcoming everyone with grace and authenticity. Let's proceed by testing with another image. Begin by uploading the second image. Once uploaded, enter the prompt. The lady is walking while waving her hand. This will bring the new scene to life, showcasing her in motion with a friendly wave. The result is displaying seamless movement and a sense of warmth. This process allows still images generated by you of your choices to come to life, further showcasing the versatility of the AI. The generated output is sure to match your vision with stunning realism. Go ahead and create your very own influencer. All of these features are completely free, allowing you to bring your creative ideas to life for absolutely free without spending a penny. This is your opportunity to design a unique, captivating persona effortlessly. Let your imagination run wild and see your influencer come to life with ease.
If you found this tutorial helpful, like this video, subscribe for more AI tips, and share it with a friend. Check the description for links to our Udemy course for automating your daily tasks with generative AI, and I'll see you in the next video.